Brittany with WTI, and my husband and I went for a huge hike in the Grand Canyon. So I really needed a shirt that was going to give me all the protection I need from the elements. And this Locachy hooded sun zip-up shirt is amazing. This is so loose and comfortable, but it has the option to cinch the waist so that you can have that nice feminine look, which is great. Then you can have easy access to anything that you have in your pocket. It is so lightweight. It just allowed when there was a breeze to cool off and feel so comfortable. The zipper is so well made, comes up, stays where it is, and then you can have the option, if you're wanting to cool off even more, to open it up completely and to feel that nice cool breeze when you need to cool off. This shirt has UV protection, and it also has a hood with a slit in the top that allows for you to put your hair through, which I really appreciated because you never know which angle the sun's going to be coming at you. So it's nice to not only protect your neck, but the sides of your face. It also worked because I had a hat, so it worked perfectly to be able to put both on and to get just that extra protection. This is such a versatile, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful hiking shirt, and I just absolutely loved it. It made such a difference going through this 20-mile hike. So this gave me so many wonderful options for me to feel comfortable, protected, and look cute at the same time. And that's just my point of view.